So, hi everyone. In today's session, let us try to understand 6 photographs or paintings that you can keep and where you can keep, and what are the attributes or energies that you can actually increase by keeping these in particular zones. So, let's get started. The first thing that you can actually place is a lush greenery photo frame or a painting in the north zone. Keeping this one would definitely increase the job opportunities or promotional aspects. If you want to benefit from them, you can definitely do this. The next thing that you can actually benefit from having a north photo frame of a landscaped area or a lush greenery scenery painting is that of course you will be able to achieve a lot of fame. Okay, it can be either in your workplace, or if you're trying to have any for example, if you're having any coaching center or any online place where you're giving out teaching or coaching aspects, you can get a more number of footfall from this. So don't forget to try this tip as well. The second tip that we have is having a family photograph. So as per Mahavastu, the best place to keep your family photograph, be it a painting or an actual photo frame, a photograph placed in a photo frame, can be kept in the southwest zone, because as per Mahavastu, the southwest zone is associated with skills and relationship. So having a photo frame or a painting of a family portrait here can definitely help and benefit and increase in building stronger bonds amongst the family members living in the space. The third thing that we have is basically a village painting or a village scenery painting or an image. Now this can be either kept in a black photo frame. Within that you can place the painting or the photograph. And one place where this has to be kept is in the west southwest zone, because this helps for those of them who are looking to buy their own property. By placing this is going to help in increasing the attributes and energies of that zone, and is going to help you get closer in actually making that dream come true by helping you buy a new property for your own name or in your own name. Then the fourth one that we have next is basically a photograph or a painting of the symbol Om. Now, like you guys know, Om is something that is related to a more mythological perspective, and Om actually represents a strength or a sense of helping you rediscover yourself and helps you bringing in mental peace. One of the best places to keep this particular photograph of painting of the symbol Om can be in the northeastern zone of your space. Okay. The next that we have is again regarding something known as a Triguna Prakriti. A Triguna Prakriti is a series of 3 photo frames that are basically having peacock feathers in each of them. This is basically supposed to be kept in the northeast zone. This basically helps in making your work environment productive. Okay, and the last and the sixth one that we have is basically again a village photo frame that can be kept in the west zone of your space. But the only difference here is that if you want to sell a property and get gains out of it, you can definitely go about keeping this in the west zone of your space. Now that you've understood the 6 types, let me tell you how to go about installing it. So for this, what you have to do is firstly go stand in the center of your house, take a digital compass and understand where each of these zones are, identify the correct zones, and then place these on the wall anywhere between 4 feet to 7 feet on a clear surface, and you will be able to reap the benefits of the same. So saying that, thank you so much.